In today's episode of our Real Estate Reality Series, we're taking you on a tour of an apartment for sale in Clayton, which is a suburban area of Panama City, Panama. We'll show you a 3-bedroom apartment, a quick glimpse at some building amenities, and take you on a driving tour of the neighborhood. Welcome to PH Clayton Park II. When you first enter the apartment, there's a half bath to the right of the front door. It opens up to the kitchen and the living room, which I'll show you in greater detail later on. Let's take a look at the balcony and its views. I just love the green landscapes and the tranquility here in Clayton. As we head on over to the bedrooms, please note that the living room has an AC unit in the corner. The first bedroom that we're going to look at has both a ceiling fan, an AC unit, 2 windows, and closet space with some room for storage. In the hallway, you'll find a small linen closet and a full bath that has windows. The second bedroom is directly across from the bathroom and has a larger window, a ceiling fan, an AC unit, and a large unit that has closets, a dresser, and a space for a TV. The main bedroom has 2 windows, a ceiling fan, an AC unit, its own bathroom, and a walk-in closet next to the bathroom. The bathroom has a window, some storage space next to the sink, and the closet has a window as well, shelving, and some storage space. This bedroom also has a blackout shade behind the blinds. Now, let's head over to the open kitchen. It has a good amount of cabinet space, 2 sinks, a gas stove, and the laundry and maid quarters off to the left. The laundry room is a good space with shelving for storage and a window. The maid's quarter has a full bathroom and a window as well. Leaving the kitchen, you can see it has plenty of counter space and is open to the living room, which is a good size. There are 4 apartments on each floor and 2 elevators in this building. It has a pool and a gym as well as parking. Now that you've seen the apartment and a bit of the building, let's take a quick drive around Clayton so you can get a feel for the neighborhood. Clayton is one of the most unique areas in Panama City. Originally part of the former U.S. Canal Zone, this community still carries that quiet suburban feel. Wide streets, lots of trees, a level of calm you usually don't find in the city. As we drive through, you'll notice just how green it is. Clayton sits right next to the Metropolitan National Park and several protected forest areas, so you're always surrounded by nature. It's one of the reasons families, expats, and people looking for a slower pace love this area. Clayton is also home to some major institutions, including the City of Knowledge, a large innovation and research hub with universities, nonprofits, international organizations, cafes, and co-working spaces. It adds a really vibrant international vibe to this otherwise quiet residential area. Here, you'll find everything from single-family homes to modern apartment buildings, plus playgrounds, walking trails, and some small convenience stores scattered throughout the community. It's peaceful, safe, and feels almost like living in a small town, just 10 to 15 minutes away from downtown Panama City. So whether you're looking for a more private residential lifestyle, or you just want to live closer to the greenery, Clayton is one of those neighborhoods that offers the best of both worlds, tranquility and convenience. I want to give a special shout out to all of the channel members and to those who have donated in other ways. Your support means more than you know. Gracias! If you enjoyed this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.